top stories. President, Prime Minister and others send New Year greetings for countrymen. Picnic spots get busier. People of all ages celebrate New Year with great zeal. And 8 persons hospitalized in various road mishaps in state. Times of Manipur wishes all the viewers a very happy New Year. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj giving you the news. Now the news in detail. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi today wished the nation on the occasion of New Year. Happy New Year to everybody. May 2019 bring laughter, friendship and prosperity to all our families, to our country and to our unique and beautiful planet, President Kovind tweeted. Prime Minister Narendra, wishing you all a happy 2019. I pray that this year brings joy, prosperity and good health in everyone's lives, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said. Greeting everyone on the New Year, Congress President Rahul Gandhi on Monday said he hopes 2019 will be good for farmers and small shopkeepers of the country. Gandhi also said he hopes that the year goes good for businessmen, youth and the country's women. My best wishes to the entire country for 2019. I hope that the new year will be good for the country, farmers and youth, businessmen, small shopkeepers and mothers and sisters. Love to you all, he said in a tweet in Hindi. On the other hand, women vendors of Khwairamban market also extended New Year greetings to the people of Manipur.
Ngasidagi hobasida akhoi process se kamai tobige ma
ngasidi hobnina khangdri ngasigidi mi yamna thoina lakte anauba sahi se lakpada mayam akhoi ingtappa santi du purapu oirasu narang ngahandi khara sitle do ngasidi sitte amta
sitbi manam se kaino oini
gari no oina mayam je satnagi baje mai koiba langba sijana oidaw male
ngai ai phaba khana jaina daba ichai supuna mak santi oina leiba pami
afaba mangon pini ni dana laipa ki chu ka ju afaba aido oheningi
mausadagi ngasina khai hena nga sitlena hajariba
Anobu sahina lakpajida ichai supuna mangse haraute amno leminaba nusijana leminaba hana sunaba loi tokpa magi lai sugi lamda oro thabaki lamda oro adra puning changa loi leiba du pame ahongbudi mayam leningi hana sunaba loi to ningi nusijana leiba pami mayam puna mangse amaga mon manana loi na nusinana leibisine kona pamjari je
ache adum kharga adum chilpa hai tare tum mayam kaino tor kharga adum leibi tum nungai ngasi jadu nahangai di tan manina phamba ya tami poyom phom khangde masi di tan bi tami yole tum khara mayam na si bi kharga adum leibi re masi mu ngai ba leite tha kana mayam ji ngai na ba khara kaino tor khara chembi chabira di mapanda leitala ra koi phami je khara phambi na ba chembi chabira di khara nungai dong ni khoi ji mayam na koi tan ba khoi phambam leite manung da change ya te mapanda leite ya te khoi awa ba ji sida dum oire Ano ba sahi la ko sida khoi phamam kitang kaino taw bina mayam na kitang mating taw bira ga khoi ji nungai bi henggen
yam nungai ano ba sahi la ko sida do bo hau ki bada wa na mayam ma thengna gi ba kai do gi ba mayam do ano ba sahi la ko sida di amung ana laktaba oiraktaba aduga afaba sahi oirakwa phatanungda laitaba sahi oihanbiu wa na isoda thawni jari.
Buyers storm markets and shops, especially chicken and fish centers on New Year's Day today. However, one of the chicken and fish center owners said the number of buyers is comparatively less this year. At least 8 persons, including 3 women, were admitted to advanced hospital in road mishaps at various places in state. However, no one was killed in the mishaps. One of the victims who met a road mishap at Upokpi broke his leg. The victim has been identified as Chanambam Bizando, is about 25, son of C.H. Bhaigachandra of Khapot Sangbam. He said he met the accident as he was trying to deviate from another accident in which a 50-year-old man was just hit by an unidentified vehicle at Upokpi. The man was lying right there on the road, he said.
Guli leiroga hanjarakpada adi jiki nupa sina laptana crossing tawkibu uyeba adu jiki car sina nupa do thoma makanda khuromda hajilakpaneba aduda aina ma soki tarena aiji laithokpada post thengjalaga tawjamne maji khongna chatpa mineba aduda somda nakanda lanthokpa car na thoma makanda khuromda hajilakpa mije aduda aina ma soki tare amuk thingjan tarena haitokpada post thengjanbada tawjam.
Lystrom Domen's name has been announced as one of the candidates in 32 Wangkhem Assembly constituency for upcoming Manipur Bidhan Sabha elections. The announcement was made at a solemn function held at Domen's residence at Thoubal Khunak today. Speaking at the function, Lystrom Domen said he decided to contest the election as most of the time the people's voice don't reach the assembly. As such, he saw the need to be a part of it in order to raise people's voice.
Satraga Samsthan, Manipuri Student Federation, MSF Hariba, Satraga Organization Aduda, Lisang Sina, Finance Secretary Oizarami, Taban District. Adubu, Aikoina, Irei Paki Damak, Awana Tarabaka Damak, Kana Lauzari, Kungzari, Adubu, Assembly Manum de Yobungam Dabana Moirakanda, Aikoina Ninjariba, Irei Paka Awabatariba, Maya. Wisdom of Manipur Haiba, Organization Silingat Saraga, Mayam Gidamak Sevata Huzaraki, Awana Gimating Pang Huzaraki, Adubu. I quit a Pangjariba, 1,000 Mayamduna, Ima Singi, Tamoida, Yahun Mangamakta, Maram Oirakanda. I quit a Towning River, Irepa Iram Nambu, Kaning River, Asi Lana, Leratana Maram Oirakanda, I organization sing a sea. Oina election asi tingada bayade haiba wakhalon sida mangjing oirakanda ima ipa ge seba tawning lubagi damak isin naw singe seba tawning lubagi damak ai ngasi the election sintolakpani.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Manipur da ihan hanba oina healthcare products singi fangfam diagnosed instruments healthcare system. Office Khoyathong Nagamapal Road Imphal 795001. Branch Office Lalambung Makhong Rims Road near Syndicate Bank Imphal 795001. Complete range star surgical instruments, hospital equipments, OT lights and tables, autoclaves, rehabilitation aids, hospital consumables, healthcare products, diagnostic reagents, hearing aids, blood glucometer, digital BP monitor, air mattress, nebulizer na chingba singi oina New Year gi 20 to 25% discount pizari terms and conditions apply. Hena kupamarol gidamak contact tobirau 0385205692 amadi 7085776993. Ekhoigi email diagnoinst@gmail.com. Khudong chaba si manghan biganu diagnosed instruments healthcare system.
Yapote lobu zakharba natro
zakharima
aduidi cha injang du loisenaba tawrodana
bishon du tot polorabadi injang gi thawraga lorabane adu ima dukan dagi bishon du go machan duga leibiruragera
hoi ima lobirurake bungo besholamaga masalamaga dapi
ne Kanglipagi spices industry gi production lobiron iramdong gi posu oire potjan ju yautre chang soktre aduine KSI na hogi basai try panji da puthoi ba production ginger powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, methi jira powder, amadi hairi bo. Loinana sa masal amadi machalla powwa. Mayang mamanadaba packaging system so oraba. Manipur da yan anboina spices industry da ISO 9001-2008 amadi ISO 9001-2015 phangmadanatana trademark su registration toraba KSI gi product tam seasonabio.
Sina khwai de gi hena pharena bonina pire inni
ima KSI product city yam phabani.
First All Manipur Men's Open Imoinu Lamsang Lamjel 2019 under the guidance of Athletic Association of Manipur, organized by Irat Thogaluf Itholuf, will be held on 18 January 2019 at SWC Hairangoitong, Imphal West. first, second, third prizes will be rupees 20,000, 15,000 and 10,000 with trophy and certificates. Consolation prizes from 4 to 10 position will be 1,000 each with certificate and gift. Last date of form submission 10 January 2019. Form available. Three Brothers Cafe, Head Office, Ithaulup, Hairangoithong, Kaithel. Head Office, Athletic Association, Manipur, Polo Ground, Maning. Kumar Variety Store, opposite Singjamai Supermarket, KD & Sons Enterprises, Andro Parking. Dove, Kaisampat Junction. Anicure Veterinary Clinic, Khonang Anikarak. AR Mobile Soft, Lilong Bazaar. And Pangambum Dukan, P. Chetun, Congo Bazaar. The first 300 players who submitted registration form will be selected for the Lamjel.
Admission open, admission open. Little House Preschool, Singjamai Sograkpam Laikai. Admission open for 2019-2020 session. Facilities available. Day boarding, real-life activity-based teaching. Student-teacher ratio for pre-nursery 6:1. Nursery to class 1 24:1. For more information, please contact 8787773218.
Parents and Principal Meet 2019. Welcome to all for the Parents and Principal Meet 2019 organized by Quantum University, Roorkee, Uttarakhand. In association with HR Group Career Info Solution, New Chekon on 5th January 2019 at Career Info Solution, New Chekon. For further information, please do contact Career Info Solution 700-5787-546.
Matalgi Sasenaba Products Sindagi Jackson Bio. Kanglai Park Spices Industry na puthokpa Majalgi atopa manaba manufacturing unit amatalajade. KSI na puthokpa Majalgi asengba products sing asibu khangnabagidama packaging da KSI logo Kanglai Park Spices Industry yaubara haina check tobiu. Amasung packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi yaubara haina check tobiu. Lalamung Makong Takhela Mamlekai Rims Road Factory Thangweban Sinam Lekai haina thari basin Nataba, Atopa Amata, Majalgi Asengba product Nate, Sasinaba Masumalhan Basindagi, Jackson Biu, Hena Kupamarol Kang Nabaleng Sinbirau, Majal, Kanglai Park Spices Industry, Lalamung Makong, Takela Mamlekai, Rims Road, Factory, Tangmiban Sinam Lekai, near Lamfelam Park, Natraga Logon Tobiu, www.majalspices.com or Facebook/Majalspices, Natraga email Tobirau, info@majalspices.com.
Welcome back after the break. Cordon and search operation continues at various places ahead of the Prime Minister's visit in Manipur. A combined team of Imphal East Commando, Porompat Police and Women Police conducted search operation in and around Porompat Thawan Thawalerak. The operation was conducted from 5:30 am and continued till 7 am under the supervision of SP of Imphal East District K. Meghachandra. At least 125 houses were searched while 240 men and 175 women were verified. In all, 5 men and 1 woman were picked up for further verification. In a shocking incident on the New Year's Day, a 20-year-old boy was found hanging dead at War Cemetery at Hatta this morning. The youth has been identified as Rahul, son of Mongzam Deven Singh of Khurai Ahonge. Police has handed over the lifeless body to Jennings morgue for autopsy. A huge pile of straw was gutted in fire at Taurism Mayailekai around 11 last night. The straw belonged to Thongbam Jiten. The straws were piled up right in front of his house. Fire tenders arrived at the spot and doused the fire on time before it could spread to the neighborhood. Sports kits were handed over to the footballers of T.H. Bir Chandra Singh Football Academy, Taubungkhok, under the sponsorship of PCTC Oil Pump. As part of the sports kit handing over program, the annual calendar of the academy was also released. Besides, the 4th state lottery in aid of Hero I-League under 13 and 15 was also inaugurated today. Simple gifts were presented in honor of the founder of the academy, T.H. Krishna Tombi, and its advisor. Talking to media persons on the sideline of the program, proprietor of PCTC oil pump Prakash Chand Patni stated his words of encouragement.
My great pleasure to be at the TH Business Football Academy and got this opportunity to be among all of them. Football is a real very good game. They request the players, they need to show real dedication and commitment to football and have to be very humble, hardworking, and to have to fight till their dreams comes true.
Pakistan on Tuesday shared with India a list of its nuclear installations and facilities as per the provision of a bilateral agreement. The list was handed over in accordance with Article 2 of the Agreement on Prohibition of Attacks against Nuclear Installations and Facilities between Pakistan and India. Signed on December 31, 1988, the Foreign Office FO said in a statement here, the list of nuclear installations and facilities in Pakistan officially handed over to a representative of the Indian High Commission at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs on Tuesday at 10 hours. It said, Ministry of External Affairs in New Delhi handed over the list of Indian nuclear installations and facilities to a representative of the High Commission of Pakistan at 10:30 hours. The FO said, the agreement which was signed on December 31, 1988 has and entered into force on January 27, 1991, provides inter alia that the two countries inform each other of nuclear installations and facilities to be covered under the agreement on the 1st of January every calendar year. This has been done consecutively since January 1st, 1992. The FO said, the practice of exchanging list of nuclear installation has endured despite many low in bilateral ties. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Manipur now has college offering MSc nursing course. Free hepatitis C care and treatment center open. Special protection group team arrives ahead of Prime Minister's visit. Desam not happy with school syllabi. Jennings stare. Number of patients, operations declined drastically. The People's Chronicle. Viswajit slams Congress for leaving projects pending. Department starts placing B boxes for better mustard yield. Stage set for BJP. Congress to slug out for Lok Sabha poll. Imphal Free Press. A change is required in media coverage of child sexual abuse. Imphal predicted to wake up to a near freezing point New Year 2019. MSc Nursing course launched at College of Nursing, Lamphel. Shyam Kumar Lod's Horticulture Department for bagging Zavik India Awards. The Morning Bell. First ever MSc Nursing course opened in state. Governor, Chief Minister, Ministers, MP of Rajya Sabha greet on New Year. Youth clubs must have clear vision to guide mentor youths, says Education Minister. Change of guard at NCC Group Headquarters, Manipur.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. President, Prime Minister and others send New Year greetings for countrymen. Picnic spots get busier. People of all ages celebrate New Year with great zeal. And 8 persons hospitalized in various road mishaps in state. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.